Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are pledge of allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
So you have to get to the question. So this is the section when you are no longer allowed to make speeches as would have been done by the member who speaks as the individual.
But you take it up my time.
Responding. No, it's my duty to do so. Right. And it is your duty to get to the question.
Got you. My two questions are these, Madam Speaker. And I never thought I would get here, but the veterinary services, private veterinary services, Minister, offer the insertion into dogs and to cats a chip. And I remember years ago. And what happens is that chip, you can read it, it's put here. The question I have for you, as a part of your predial larceny plan and strategy, is it that you will provide, or does RADA, or the Ministry of Agriculture, have the ability or the hope to provide this kind of technology to livestock? Because from my experience, it is mainly livestock that is stolen as a part of predial larceny. The pigs, the goats, the cows, and other livestock, not mainly vegetables. If I may be permitted, Madam Speaker, to ask a second question. Thank you so much. Much obliged. My second question is, I know the geography of most parishes, and based on how RADA is set up, extension officers have to traverse sometimes two parishes.
Mainly. So all of what you said before is not a question. And it is one of the things that we have to do better at. We have to get to the question.
I notice you're a little impatient today, Madam Speaker, because normally you're not this impatient. So
the leeway member allows too much facility.
I'm not
and therefore, I am asking members to think about your question and get straight to the question. Going forward, it is really one of the hallmarks of responsible behavior that we would love to have in the House. So, member, think about the question and then get straight to the question, member.
I'll try and be as responsible as possible.
And I must tell you, the member from St. Anne Southeast is not as irresponsible as many other members. So it is rough that the example is being marked down now. But once persons continuously, which you have been doing, members, abuse the opportunity to ask questions and make statements, and it is regularly done, there is going to come a time when the speaker will have to hold you strong and directly to the rules. So, members,
the scapegoat.
The question.
And it's fine.
Go ahead, member.
So, Minister, the second question that I have for you is, in your mandate to deal with predial larceny, since you have made so many arrests, trying to frame this question because the context has to do with violence that is already existing with some of the farmers that just take matters into their own hands. I'll leave it there. I can speak to my constituency in particular. What mechanism will you have in place, therefore, to ensure that if you have these farmers neighborhood watches kind of situations and the training for wardens, is there any physical tools, i.e. bullhorns, i.e. motorcycles? What is it that they can, because once a